Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Welcome back. In Part 2, we'll focus on practical steps for safe and effective cloud-based production data sharing. You'll learn how to start small, scale across suppliers, and ensure data security and traceability. With cloud-based sharing, teams can use shared dashboards and alerts for exceptions, not for everything. A supplier can flag a late lot before it ships. The plant can adjust the sequence, pull a substitute part, or pause a high-risk build before it hits final assembly. For quality holds, shared data speeds containment. If an inspection station starts failing a torque check, the system can alert the assembly plant, the fastener supplier, and quality engineering at the same time. The goal is simple. Stop making bad units, identify what changed, and restart with confidence. The new data mix, EV batteries, software, and stricter traceability. By 2026, the data tied to a single vehicle build is heavier than it was 5 years ago. EV and hybrid programs add battery packs, modules, power electronics, thermal systems, and high-voltage safety checks. Each step has its own test results, serial numbers, and handling rules. Software adds another layer. Over-the-air updates are common, but production still needs to record which software version was installed at build, tied to the VIN. If a later issue is linked to a version, you need a clean trail from software to vehicle to station to time. Traceability expectations also rose. Audits and customer demands often require lot, serial, and process history across companies, not just inside one factory. Cloud sharing makes that practical when suppliers and plants agree on what to share and how to label it. What cloud-based production data sharing looks like in a Japanese car plant. Think of it like a relay race. Machines generate signals, plant systems organize them, and the cloud makes them visible to approved partners. The trick is keeping the baton clean, meaning data that's correct, time-synced, and tagged the same way everywhere. Most setups follow a simple flow. Machines and test equipment feed plant systems. The plant systems publish selected data to cloud services. Partners consume it through dashboards, alerts, or automated messages. You'll hear a few terms often. Edge. A small computer near the line that collects data and sends it securely. Digital thread. The linked record from part to process to vehicle across time. Single source of truth. One agreed place to read the latest approved value. What data gets shared, and what should stay inside the plant. The best rule is, share the minimum needed data, then expand only when the use case proves value. Role-based access matters because a supplier, a plant manager, and a quality auditor don't need the same view. Thanks for watching Part 2. Now you know how Japanese automakers are leveraging cloud-based production data sharing to improve efficiency and cut waste. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights on modern automotive innovation. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.